We've been asked to carve a mythical slash serpent slash snake.
Something like this, you can never 100% tell what it's going to look like until you start work on it.
There is so many beautiful trees around here, and obviously for me and Paul, that's what we have a real passion for, is wood, the detail in the wood, the grain in the wood. This is our livelihood. The Spirit of Wood Chainsaw Carvings is our business. We're on Facebook, aren't we?
Yeah. Been doing it 2 years now.
2 years. Everything that we use is always dead. We don't use anything that's live. We both love wood.
A way of life.
It has
more
become
than
a way
just
of
a job.
life.
It's a way of life now.
Yeah.
We're passionate for it. We love doing it. I've had a look at different snakes. In my mind, I'm sort of basing it upon a python, anaconda, that sort of style.
Snake in the garden. Snake in the garden.
If we try to put in too much detail, we'll lose the natural look of the wood. We could put some scales on it, we could even paint it, but personally I like the wood to speak for itself. Started to draw a line down his back. Now I want to get a little tiny ridge going on here, just to show where his muscle comes up as he turns. Just a sort of slight ridge going on all the way down near to his tail, which is another 2 or 3 hours work.
When you come to something like this, you are working for a client. They've got a vision of what they want, but obviously they can't create it, so they think I'll find somebody that can actually make mine
Something.
basically make my fruition come true.
Work all day till I'm totally beat. Get back home and fall right to sleep. Alarm goes off in the morning and the cycle's complete. Work, sleep, repeat. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat. All I ever do is work, sleep, repeat, repeat, repeat.